So here we have the Sony Tablet P, which is coming with a dual display of 5.5 inches. As you can see here, we also have the Galaxy Note here. You can check out the practical physical point of view. See, the tablet looks quite slim when you compare it. You can still keep it in your pocket. Actually, the tablet comes with a dual display of 5.5 inches. So here, as you can see, this is almost the same here. It's not diagonally 5.5, it's on the length 5.5 inches, and the tablet comes with a dual display here. Let's just check out the hardware part. The display is actually this way. The tablet comes with Honeycomb 3.2.1, which is again upgradable to ice cream sandwich. Apart from that, the device also comes on the hardware part. Let us just check out. On the top you have the camera here. On the left there is nothing. On the right you have a list of different options. There's a HDMI port, there's a micro USB cable connectivity, power on off switch, the volume up and down keys. But they're not easy to operate because you need to press a lot for the options to be changed. On the bottom you have the 3.5mm headset jack, and there's nothing else on this device. Let's just check out the camera quality here. So here we have the social feed reader which comes with the device, the folders where we have different videos. Let us just check out a small trailer. So as you can see, the display is on first screen and the bottom part is the controllers part. Let us just slide it forward and show it to you. So here, I'm just double tapping it for the maximum viewing area. So end of the day, the display still gets stuck at 5.5 inches and it doesn't come up on the screens.
Not necessarily. So the Xperia Next series are the first Sony smartphones, and these three all fit within that series. So we will have, obviously we will launch further Sony smartphones.
These are the applications which are running in the background.
Or in the Next series. So for the moment it's just these three products within the Next series.
Different panes.
So what these three questions.
Let's just go to the applications and check out what all apps come into this tablet. Here is the camera. So there's advantage of using this camera actually, because you can keep working on this and actually use the top part to take a photo. As you can see here, we are just checking out this screen recording. Let me just take a photo of the Samsung Galaxy Note in the background. Let me just move this here. So here. So this is the photo. As you can see, you can have different options here to share the photo and do different tasks. So overall, this is the Sony tablet, which is quite better than its other model which comes in the from Sony. Do check out other videos. Thank you.